We're in Denver, Colorado at EnerCom's 18th annual Oil and Gas Conference. I have the pleasure of introducing Russ Porter, President and CEO of Gastar Exploration. Good morning, Russ.
Good morning, thanks for having us here.
The Gastar today is certainly a different Gastar than only a short time ago. Talk to us about the recent transition and high grading of your portfolio.
Yeah, we went through some changes. We resolved some major litigation we had in a very favorable fashion. We acquired a new asset in a new play, and we bought back about 10% of our stock at a very steep discount as a part of that whole transaction. So we really transformed the company from where we were even 6 months ago.
Russ, you recently reported second quarter 2013 results with revenues and production drastically increasing over last year. What is driving your production increases?
All of that was really driven by the continued development of our Marcellus shale play. We're in the very liquids-rich portion of the play in West Virginia, and we drilled about 23, 25 wells over the past year, brought them on production, and those solely accounted for that big ramp up.
Your company took a number of steps to improve its liquidity this year. Walk us through some of those initiatives.
Yeah, we issued about $200 million of high-yield debt. That was done back in May. That was a very good transaction for us from a liquidity standpoint. We sold, we entered into an agreement to sell our East Texas assets for about $46 million, and we just closed on the sale of some non-core interests that we acquired in Oklahoma for about $60 million. So pending the sale of the East Texas properties, we'll have $200 million in debt, but $120 million in cash.
You had just mentioned the sale of your non-core Oklahoma acreage. Can you talk more about that?
Yeah, we acquired some acreage from Chesapeake back in May, and about 160,000 acres. And about half of that was what we were really interested in for our core play. The other half, we were considering bringing in a joint venture partner, but we got an offer from another operator active in the area that was at we thought, a very good price. And considering lease expirations, the amount of capital it would take to drill, and the fact that with that sale we essentially removed all the financial risk from the entire acquisition, we decided that we would go ahead and sell the properties rather than joint venturing them somewhere down the road.
What catalysts or events should investors keep an eye out for during the remainder of 2013?
Well, we should announce the sale of the East Texas properties, the closing that sale at the end of this month. And then we'll have a series of operated and non-operated wells in the Hunt and Play in Oklahoma that people are waiting to see those results. And then we'll pick up development of our Marcellus shale again in early 2014. So we'll have a very active year.
Russ, what other insight would you like to share with us?
I'm sure everyone is a big proponent of their own story, but when I look at Gastar and where we trade now at about $3.25 a share, if you just looked at our proved reserves only, our net asset value is in the $4.50 range. And if we just look at adding the continued development of the Marcellus shale alone, we're easily worth about $7 a share. So I think we're a fantastic investment opportunity right now.
Well, we wish you the best of luck this year and beyond.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Russ. I'm Quinn Nguyen for oilandgas360.com.